So what makes CleanFactor unique is a couple things. One is we're a smaller, more nimble company. So I guess I would kind of characterize it as one of my business advisors that I had when we were at a little incubator venture startup was basically myself. You're like a really good wedding planner, and you know different resources to call, whether it's installation labor, whether it's who's the best in engineering, who's the best to procure equipment, and then our strength is the analytics on the front and on the financial acumen to kind of understand solar as what it really is an investment. So it's a different type of product than putting in a new kitchen where everybody oohs and ahhs. It's a financial investment, and that's my background as a financial analyst. So what makes us different is we're best of breed, but we've never gotten very large where you start getting kind of a large company where it becomes unruly to manage, and then your quality, I think, begins to suffer.